Guys, welcome to the channel Techno Upskill. So today we are going to learn about how we can install the Git bash in Windows 11. So Git bash is the tool. It's intermediary between repositories and local machines. So it's mainly and most important tool every developer, engineer, and engineer should have installed in their machines. So make sure how to install from official site and how to check it the version. Okay, let's start. So let's go to official site. So okay, let us search git bash download or those 11. So it will redirect to the official site. You can see here official site. So just click on, there are multiple versions here, OS version. So if you have Mac OS, click on Mac OS. If you have Linux version, you can click on Linux. Now we have Windows, right? So we have Windows 11. So let us click on Windows. So now here you can see versions. So processors also depends on processor, like we have 64 bit, right? So here also RAM 64 setup is there. So we like nowadays almost all operating systems, Windows operating systems are 64 bit. So let's click on Git for Windows 64 setup. See, it started downloading. So I am stopping now because I have already downloaded. So let us go to downloads folder. Yes, okay, it's downloaded now. Let us install it. Just double click on the files, guys, then click on yes, click on next. Let it set the default path, set it default. So version is Git. So let it decide. So keep as it default settings, guys, so it will be easy to use regular basis. So click on next and install. Just wait for some seconds, guys. It's almost going to complete. We are on final stage and it's done. So uncheck this one, so we can launch it from manually and click on finish. This one Git bash has been already installed successfully, so click on finish. So you can check here program and features Git. See, it's installed now, correct? So let us check the version and application how it works. Git bash open. See, this is command line interface of Git bash. So it successfully installed. So if you just run one command pwd, can see it will show the default path. So here is installed. So how to check the version of this git bash? Then just open command prompt git version. See, version is 2.50. So which one we downloaded? 2.50. So like this way we can install git bash. So thank you so much, guys. Please do subscribe and like the video. Please do connect. If you have any doubts, do comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.